The S&P 500 just hit a new all-time high, climbing more than 30% over the past year. After a tough 2022, the index has staged a powerful comeback. But what's really driving this rally? Let's break it down in under 3 minutes. In early 2023, the S&P 500 was hovering around 3,800 points, still weighed down by inflation, interest rate fears, and recession warnings. Fast forward to 2024, and the index is trading above 5,000 points, marking its highest level in history. So what changed? The answer: tech, AI, earnings resilience, and investor optimism. A huge part of the rally has been driven by the Magnificent Seven, companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Meta, and Amazon, which have benefited from the surge in AI adoption and cloud spending. Nvidia alone more than tripled in value, while other big tech names saw gains of 50 to 150%. Since the S&P 500 is market cap weighted, these mega-cap tech stocks have an outsized impact, and they've carried the index higher, even when other sectors lagged. Despite high interest rates, many U.S. companies have posted better than expected earnings, particularly in tech, healthcare, and financials. At the same time, fears of a deep recession have faded. The Federal Reserve signaled a potential end to rate hikes and even hinted at possible rate cuts in 2024, boosting risk appetite across markets. Add in falling inflation, a strong job market, and steady consumer spending, and you get a recipe for renewed confidence in equities. Still, risks remain. The rally has been concentrated in a handful of stocks, which raises concerns about breadth and sustainability. If big tech falters or inflation unexpectedly spikes, we could see volatility return quickly. And with the S&P 500 trading at elevated valuation multiples, some analysts are warning of a potential pullback. But for now, markets are pricing in a soft landing, AI-fueled growth, and a stable macro backdrop, and the index is reflecting that optimism. That's the story behind the S&P 500's record-breaking run. Strong tech, stable earnings, and renewed faith in the economy. Will it continue? Time will tell. But for now, the bulls are in control. Subscribe for more 3-minute market breakdowns like this one.